My primary industry is financial services. I was a chief risk officer for a very large banking and insurance group for a few years, and we specialized in digital technology and the deployment of mobile loans. I also am currently on the board of an AI-based startup, and where I look after risk and safety and our machine learning and AI models. I try to equip the participants with being champions of a modern view of risk as a strategic platform, something that informs and navigates the strategy of the organization, as opposed to being more policing and more control-based. I like to think that the delegates like the interactivity with the course. Also, I don't teach from a textbook. I use a lot of industry experience that I've had. I also have a lot of friends in many of the major entities and concerns, both around the UK and Europe and globally. And I try to sometimes bring them in to have a brief chat or talk with the class, or I bring insights from some of the things that they've done. Being someone that can add value and show and demonstrate that you add value is something that I emphasize as a very practical skill and takeaway. The other things relate often to the use of what people think are kind of black box technologies like AI. Significant takeaway is that the biggest risk to an organization is that its strategy will fail. Not that there will be problems, or there will be loan losses, or that there will be cyber attacks or things like that, but that risk is really about whether the strategy is actually being navigated and being supported properly.